In this video, we will show you how to load and prep material in a heated syringe head. Using a scale, measure the amount of PCL pellets needed for the print, since we have a 15 cc syringe. Knowing that the density of PCL is 1.09 grams over cubic centimeters. For this syringe, we need about 13 grams. Make sure that the rod is unscrewed as much as possible in order to be able to fill the cartridge. Take the nozzle off of the cartridge and insert the cartridge upside down into the head. Using a funnel, insert your measured PCL into your syringe head. Make sure to not overfill the funnel and make sure to take your time filling the cartridge with PCL. It is important to have the cartridge upside down to ensure that we minimize the air bubbles in the cartridge as much as possible. Make sure not to leave the funnel on the cartridge after inserting the PCL into the syringe, because it will harden once the material cools and cause the funnel to stick to the cartridge. Now you are ready to apply heat. The needed temperature for all materials differ. However, for PCL, the desired temperature is around 120 degrees Celsius. Once you go on Repetrol, go to Control, then Heads, and depending on the placement of your head, it will show in the respective slot. Then turn the heat on and make sure under Temp Info that the print temp is at your desired temperature. For PCL, we want it to be around 120 degrees Celsius. Right-click the mouse and click Flash Head Settings to save and reload the data. Also click Alarm and Reset to ensure it is saved. Then go back to Head Settings and turn the temperature back on. Now you wait for it to heat up until 120, but leave it for 30 minutes to make sure all air bubbles are released. Attach the nozzle back onto the cartridge and screw your black nut back on. After attaching the nozzle, rotate the threaded rod counterclockwise to ensure that PCL is coming out of the nozzle. When testing that the PCL is coming out from the nozzle, make sure that the screws are on tight in order to make sure that the entire cartridge does not move. After heating the cartridge, carefully remove the cartridge from the head by unscrewing the black nut off of the cartridge and pull out from the head and turn it right side up. Make sure you are using heat protection due to the high temperature of the cartridge. Now your material is loaded. Thank you for watching this video.